Hey guys, this is Aaron here for the Love of Tech, back again with another video.
Peter McKinnon here, welcome back to another video.
Hey, what up everyone, it's your boy Ultra Tech, back again with the new video.
Back again with another video.
Back with another video.
Back with another quick unboxing.
Today though, got something different.
And today, we're gonna do something a little different. And what we're doing today is I am taking my Pixel 4 XL and I'm going to do a hard concrete drop test. Now, I've done the drop test on the desk, I've done the drop test in the house on the hard floors, and today I'm serving you guys a concrete drop test. Don't go anywhere, we're gonna find out if these OtterBox cases can really protect our phones. With all these glass sandwiches that we're getting from all these manufacturers, cases have become one of the most important, if not vital, accessories that you actually need to protect your investment, or at the very least, protect your resale of your cell phone. This case is the OtterBox Defender Pro. There's a couple different layers to it. There's some cushion, there's a little plastic case that goes around it, and then there's the holster. And we're gonna see what it looks like when we drop this on the hard concrete. So we just dropped the Pixel 4 XL about, I don't know, four times. Let's see how it looks. You can see that in the sun. The screen is absolutely flawless. No issues, no problems. Let's actually dig into the case and check out all sides of the phone. See if there's any additional wear and tear from before we started. Here it is after I've taken it out of the OtterBox Defender case. There is no breaks, no scratches, no blemishes. There is what I like to call some wear and tear actually from the case to the phone. So some of the paint is coming off there. Now let's move on to something with a little bit less protection where we might actually break or crack our phone. Let's move on and see what it looks like when we drop it in the Symmetry case for the OtterBox. All right guys, so we are doing the drop test with the Symmetry Stardust, the black version. So let's go ahead and drop this and see what that is gonna look like. That one was intense. Let's take a look at all aspects of the phone. Oh, it's starting to get really sweaty out here. Guys, this thing is holding up like a champ. So just for the sake of being thorough, since I dragged the equipment out here, let's do another one and see what turns out. I don't know, I'm getting more and more nervous about these. I'm gonna do a flat one. We're gonna see what that looks like. Okay, let's see. Starting to get a little nervous, guys. I'm starting to sweat. This is like really got me worried. Okay. We definitely don't have any cracks, but there's 100% wear and tear on the corners, which means that the only major damage that we're actually seeing from this drop test is the edges are getting a little accelerated wear and tear, if you will. That's what we're gonna call it, accelerated wear and tear. All right, guys, I do believe that concludes my drop test for the OtterBox Defender Pro and the OtterBox Symmetry Stardust. If you want to see me drop this phone somewhere else, go down to the comments and tell me where you want me to drop this guy next, because I'm gonna keep dropping it if you keep telling me places, just as long as it doesn't break. And then maybe if it does break, we'll just keep dropping it a little bit more. If you like what you saw today, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you really like what you saw, please consider hitting that thumbs up. And if you really love me and you want to see more videos, all you got to do is share me with your friends and family on social media and say, hey, check out this guy. He loves tech, you love tech. It's a match made in heaven for the love of tech. Till next time, namaste.